On a magical Christmas Eve, an old man, warm and snug in his cozy armchair, is about to share a tale unlike any other. This tale, my dear friends, is steeped in the spirit of Christmas, a time when the air is filled with the scent of freshly baked cookies, the sound of carols, and the magic of Santa Claus. Santa, that jolly old man with his iconic red suit and his incredible task of delivering gifts to children all over the world in just one night. A task that seems impossible, doesn't it? But somehow, year after year, he never fails to spread joy and cheer to every corner of the world. The twinkle in his eye as he accomplishes this feat is a testament to the magic of the season. But have you ever wondered how Santa accomplishes this miraculous task each year? Let me tell you a story about Santa and the magic of data science. First, we need to understand what data science is. Imagine a gold miner equipped with a pickaxe and a sifter, tirelessly working to extract precious gold from piles of dirt and rocks. Now, replace the gold miner with a data scientist, the pickaxe and sifter with powerful algorithms and computational models, and the piles of dirt and rocks with vast amounts of data. That, my friends, is the essence of data science. Data science is the process of mining the digital universe for valuable insights, just as a gold miner sifts through dirt for nuggets of gold. But instead of dirt and rocks, data scientists dig through data. Lots and lots of it. They analyze this data to understand trends, patterns, and relationships that are not immediately apparent. You might wonder, what kind of data are we talking about? Well, every time you browse the internet, use a GPS, make a purchase online, or even take a health checkup, you're contributing to this massive pool of data. It's like leaving digital breadcrumbs that data scientists can analyze and interpret. So what do they do with all this data? They turn it into knowledge and insights that can be used in a multitude of ways. For instance, data science helps businesses to understand their customers better, doctors to diagnose diseases more accurately, and even helps predict the weather more precisely. It's like having a crystal ball that gives us a peek into the future, helping us make more informed decisions, but that's not all. Data science is also a key player in some of the most cutting-edge technologies of our time, from powering artificial intelligence and machine learning to driving advancements in fields like genetics and astronomy. Data science is at the heart of it all. Now that we know what data science is, let's delve into how it could help our jolly friend Santa. Santa's task is no easy feat, delivering millions of gifts in one night, knowing what each child wants, and ensuring they've been nice, not naughty. Just imagine the enormity of the task. It's enough to make even the most organized of us break into a cold sweat. Picture this. Santa has to manage an ever-growing database of children worldwide, each with their unique personalities, their individual behaviors, their distinct wishes. That's not just a list, that's a massive, dynamic, and diverse data set. It's like a constantly evolving puzzle, each piece unique and essential, all needing to fit together perfectly. And then there's the logistics of delivering the gifts. It's not just about packing the sleigh and setting off into the night. No, it's about planning the most efficient route, factoring in weather conditions, time zones, and the very physics of flying reindeer. It's about ensuring that every gift lands under the right tree at the right time, without fail. But wait, there's more. Santa also needs to ensure that each child has been more nice than naughty. That's a whole other layer of data analysis, tracking behavior patterns and predicting future conduct. Sounds like an impossible task, doesn't it? But with data science, even the impossible becomes possible. So how does Santa use data science to make his Christmas miracle happen, I hear you ask? Well, the process isn't as mystical as one might think, and it all comes down to leveraging the power of data. Firstly, Santa could use data analysis to predict what gifts children would like. Imagine every letter sent to Santa is a piece of data, containing valuable insights about the child's preferences and desires. By analyzing these letters, Santa can spot trends and patterns, identify the most requested toys, and make an educated guess on what each child might want. This is akin to how businesses use data to understand their customers better, allowing them to tailor their products and services to meet customer needs. But that's just the beginning. To determine who's been naughty or nice, Santa could employ machine learning algorithms. These algorithms are trained on past data about children's behavior, learning to classify them based on their actions throughout the year. If a child has been more kind than mischievous, the algorithm might classify them as nice. making them eligible for a Christmas gift. This process is similar to how email providers use machine learning to filter out spam, ensuring only relevant emails reach your inbox. Now let's talk about the logistics. With millions of children around the world, delivering gifts in one night is no small feat. This is where optimization algorithms come into play. These algorithms can calculate the most efficient route for Santa's sleigh, taking into account factors such as distance, weather conditions, and time zones. Just as logistics companies use these algorithms to streamline their deliveries, Santa could use them to ensure every child receives their gift on time. Lastly, Santa could use real-time data to adjust his plans if necessary. Real-time data is information that is delivered immediately after collection. With this, Santa would be able to adjust his route based on real-time weather updates or even last-minute gift requests. Think of this as a GPS that reroutes you when it detects traffic on your usual route, helping you reach your destination faster and more efficiently. But remember, this is all hypothetical. The real magic of Christmas isn't in algorithms or data analysis, it's in the joy and warmth that fills our hearts during this special time of year. And that, my dear friends, is how Santa could use data science to ensure every child wakes up to their desired gift on Christmas morning. Data science, much like Santa's magic, is powerful and transformative. This realm of study, which includes statistics, data interpretation, and problem solving, holds the potential to revolutionize every sector of our world, much like it did for Santa's Christmas Eve journey. Let's take a look at healthcare, for instance. Data science, with its predictive analytics, helps doctors foresee potential health risks, allowing them to provide timely and personalized care to their patients. It's as if with the help of data science, doctors gain a touch of Santa's magic, knowing who needs their help before they even ask for it. Now let's shift our gaze to the finance sector. Here, data science plays the role of the North Star, guiding investors and financial institutions through the tumultuous sea of market trends and economic indicators. With its magic wand, it turns the complex patterns of the financial world into understandable and actionable insights. And who could forget the entertainment industry? From recommending your next favorite movie on a streaming platform to predicting box office hits, data science is the invisible scriptwriter, shaping our leisure time in ways we often take for granted. But remember, just as Santa's magic is not without its challenges, so too is the field of data science. It takes a dedicated team of elves, or in our case, data scientists, statisticians, and analysts, to harness this power effectively. They work tirelessly, sifting through vast quantities of data, deciphering patterns, and crafting solutions to complex problems. In essence, data science is about finding the magic in the mundane, turning heaps of data into meaningful insights, transforming the seemingly impossible into the achievable. It's about making sense of the world, much like Santa makes sense of his long list of good boys and girls every Christmas Eve. So the next time you marvel at the magic of Santa's Christmas Eve journey, remember the magic of data science that could make it all possible.